Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some DIY activities that you can be doing with your kids at home. So these are the activities that we're going to do today, and they are so nice. You are not going to spend any money, so let's not waste so much time and join me, and I'll show you what I've done. So these are the numbers. I used only the card box. These are the numbers from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. So the beginners, they are counting only from 1 to 5. So I used the card box and I just cut it and right there the numbers from 1 to 5. So in this activity we are just going to do numbers, and they must say match the numbers with the hearts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see it's matching. Number 1, 1 heart. Number 2, 2 hearts. Number 3, 2, 3. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first activity. The second activity is just these ones. You can get them. They are for takeaway. You buy, you can get it anywhere in the shops. So I just write the numbers on the paper and stick it on it. So this is number 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will use 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4. Second activity. These ones, they are takeaway papers, where you buy takeaway on them, or you can buy meat in the shop. You don't need to throw it, just clean it. The child can use it for counting. Just take a marking pen and write the number inside from 1 to 5, and then we will use these tins, the tins for yogurts. You can see 1, 2. Here you put 3. The child can put 3, 4, 5. Let me bring it closer. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second activity, you can just get the paper, any simple paper that is plain, and even if it's written here at the back, as long as it's plain here, you just draw your finger. The child can count the finger using these leads. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 here. So the fifth activity is these ones. You can just draw any type of thing you want me. I draw a blouse, and I use the cardboard for jungle hearts and the plain paper, and draw here on it. So just put here. The child will have to recognize the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's it for today. I hope you love the video. It's very simple. All these things that you have seen here, I just picked them up. I didn't buy anything. So enjoy teaching your kids. If you like this video, subscribe on my channel and leave a comment. Thank you.